In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export orders in Woocommerce. Exporting your orders is a quick way to back up sales data, share it with your accounting team, or analyze performance in a spreadsheet. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips so your export is clean, accurate, and ready to use. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll need an account with the right permissions to view and export orders. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're in the correct store before moving on. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left sidebar. Click WooCommerce, then select Orders. This takes you to the central place where all your store's orders are listed, along with their statuses and totals. On the Orders page, find and click the Export option. Depending on your theme or WooCommerce version, this may appear as a button near the top of the page or as a link in the Tools area. If you have a lot of orders, give the page a moment to fully load before exporting. Next, choose your export options. This is where you tailor the file to your needs. Select a date range if you only want a specific period, like last month or the current quarter. If you're after a particular subset, filter by order status, such as completed, processing, or refunded to narrow it down. Many setups let you pick which columns to include, like order number, date, customer name, billing and shipping details, items totals, taxes, and payment method. Keeping only the fields you actually need makes the file smaller and easier to work with. If there's a choice of delimiter or character encoding, CSV with commas and UTF-8 encoding tends to work best for most spreadsheets and accounting tools. When in doubt, stick with the default options. When your selections look right, click Generate CSV. WooCommerce will prepare the file based on your filters and fields. For large date ranges or busy stores, this can take a bit of time, so don't close the tab while it's working. Finally, download the CSV file. It may download automatically, or you might see a link to click and save. Put the file somewhere you can easily find later. If you plan to share it, remember that it can include customer information, so store and transmit it securely. Opening the file in your spreadsheet app is a good way to verify the columns and totals look correct before you use it. That's it. You've exported your WooCommerce orders in just a few steps. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.